How to get Instagram Reels back on Profile Grid. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now, as you might know, Instagram Reels does show up on two places in your profile page right here. They do show up on the Reels section right here, and they do show up on the profile grid right here. However, sometimes there will be some reels that do show up on the Reels section right here, just like this first reel, but they do not show up in the profile grid section right here. So if this does happen to you, how can you get these reels to show up here? I'm going to walk you step by step on how this on why does this happen and how can you fix it. Say for example, we will take this second reel as an example, this one. So we will see that it does show up on the Reels section, and it also does show up on the profile grid right here. So first, let's go ahead and remove it from the profile grid. So let me click here, and once I do that, I will click on the three dots at the top right corner. From there, I will get this list, and I will choose remove from profile grid. Once you click on it, you will get this confirmation box that tells you what will happen when you do this. Click remove to continue. Now, once this reel has been removed from your profile grid, as you can see, you will see that it still does show up on the Reels section. So how can we get it back on the profile grid? Well, the process is easy. Just follow these steps. Go ahead to that reel, click on it, and what we will do right now is we will delete the reel. Don't worry, this will not remove or take off any interactions like likes and comments and shares from your reel. It will only replace it in your Instagram trash for a while. So go ahead and delete it. You will get this confirmation box, delete it. Now, as you can see, the reel has been deleted from both the profile grid and the reel section. Now, how can we get that reel back on both of these places? From here, you want to click on the three lines at the top right corner, and from there, click on your activity. And then scroll down till you find this section that says removed and archived content. And from there, click on recently deleted. Once you are here, you will find all of the content that you have recently deleted. As you can see, the first and most recent one is the reel that we have just deleted. So click on it, and from there click on the three dots at the bottom right corner, and then click on restore. As you can see, when you do that, you will get this confirmation box that tells you what will happen. Click on restore to confirm, and as you can see, the reel has been restored on our profile. So let's go back to our profile. Let me refresh the page right here, and then let's see. As you can see, as soon as you do that, you will see that the reel has been let me refresh this page right here. As you can see, you will see that the reel has been restored to the profile grid right here, and it has also been restored to the reels section. So it's very easy and simple process. Just follow these steps and it will work for you. So that was it for this video. That's how you can get back Instagram Reels back on your profile grid. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.